Hello everyone, and I'm Tresha Gupta this side, and you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today we were trying to find out that I used two AIs. One is the Chat GPT, as you all know, and the second one is the Google Gemini. And I asked both of them to create a cafe website in 30 seconds. I was just trying to check out that which AI is able to do that, and what is it like, how fast they could code, because if a normal person starts making a website, it might take around like days or even months to create a website, if a person has to actually do it. So as we have heard about AI taking jobs of people and all that, I tried checking out that how could AI make a website in 30 seconds. So first I asked Google Gemini to make a website, a cafe website in 30 seconds. So if telling you about what it said, it said that we it was not able to make, if I would sum up the thing, it just said that making a website, it involves a lot of things, and it is impossible to do it in 30 seconds. But it suggested some kind of website builders, like Wix, and we all know about that, where we could use certain kind of drag and drop options or many other things. WordPress also we all know. So it was not able to do that thing overall. But when I asked Chat GPT to do the same thing, it was in some way able to do that. It generated a bunch of code to make the website. Of course the website would not be that good looking as we expect, but if it is able to make that, it is in itself a very appreciable thing, because making a website in 30 seconds is not a human's cup of tea. So here, and it was very surprised to know when ChatGPT it was writing the code, and then it was also providing me with the option to preview it, and it downloaded all the packages which were required for running this code. Like we needed React, and of course HTML and CSS is a part. We can run it in Chrome. There are many converters, but I was very surprised when it was itself downloading all the packages for the preview. So let's now have a look at the preview about the kind of website that it created. So this was what it created. It was simple header, a button, and three columns. I know that this is not a kind of website that would be acceptable when we go into the long run, but it provides us with a template, a template kind of thing, which could be used for making the further website. Like it has provided you with the heading, the blogs, the buttons, and all that. So I could say that it is capable if you provide them with some specification. If you use Chat GPT to make some kind of thumbnail, not thumbnail, sorry, some kind of designs, or some kind of heading for it, it would be, I think, easily able to make that, and convert it into code as well. So I found it a very useful feature, and I was thinking about sharing with you people also. So I think that's it for today's video, and thanks a lot for watching. See you sooner, and goodbye.